Understanding Grand Average of Hydropathicity gravy in Plant Gene Families. Introduction to Hydropathicity and Gravy. The Grand Average of Hydropathicity, commonly referred to as gravy, is a valuable tool in the analysis of protein properties. It quantifies the hydrophobic and hydrophilic characteristics of amino acids in a protein sequence, providing insights into its potential functions and structures. This metric plays a significant role in bioinformatics, particularly in classifying gene family members across various plant species. Calculating gravy values. Gravy is calculated by taking the average hydropathicity of all the amino acids in a protein sequence. The values assigned to different amino acids depend on their hydrophobicity. Positive values indicate hydrophobic nature, while negative values suggest hydrophilicity. By assessing the gravy values of proteins, researchers can infer their solubility and interaction potential within various biological systems. Applications of gravy in plant gene families. Utilizing gravy values allows scientists to effectively classify gene family members in plants. This classification can provide insights into evolutionary relationships and functional divergences. For instance, similar gravy values among proteins may indicate a shared ancestral gene, whereas significant differences might suggest adaptations to specific environmental conditions. Therefore, exploring gravy in relation to protein structure offers a framework for understanding the roles of various gene families in plant biology.